Nagabenta ki khubor baman kasni pet but subscribe ya u Antor News.
Kubleye phi baro kini kilong ki khubor bamta kasni. Ka sarkar MDA ha ka jingyalam u konrad ki sangma menta kalawan ra ya ka sinjam ban pen kylluid ya ka sor Shillong namar ka jing khapnya palat jong ki pat ba bat ka jing bun jong ki kali. Kumta ka sarkar jala haba kalayu iya kani na kaliang umintirang ba ka jala u konrad ki sangma la yo ban pen smo pat ba ling ba ki lat pathai kubor. Umintirang ba ulai thu baka sarkar ko dan kampan pen kylluid chwa ya ki jingyang ki kali na surok na barik pan sa kendai lat khanang ban pen kylluid ya kani kanong ba Shillong. Ka ai ka ba umintirang ba ka jala uyo i jangai ka dei ban pen kylluid ya kanong ba Shillong ka dei ban sna da ki lynti ya na suin. Ka sarkar kan ya le stom ban pen kylluid chwa ya ka lynti surok na mar ka jingthang kali on sa ya chakhamat ya ka jingte ya ka sai wok benrap u konrad ki sangma. Umintirang ba aswa ka Christmas ni haswa ubanay kalalikot ni no pra aja alpusaw kanan polo kanyo ya ka jaka yang kali kabatamay bat unsa asna shu ya ki jaka yang kali hakaleng ki jaka hoy undala sedang ka jingte ya kani ka skywalk kan sadon ka jingteng kali ka bojor hangni hanong ba nakadaw pendon kam bat pen kerya aswa ya ki kali ki bayang ha ki surok benrap UCM Shushu umintirang ba ya thu ka sarkar jala kat pen kylluid ya kani kanong ba Shillong un pynkynriah ya baro ki ophis sarkar ki badon ha Shillong sa new Shillong mau diang ban kylluid un pynkynriah shwa ya ka sekretariat menta ka kam kalayat chakhamat na ka benta ban penwandor bat ban kermen ba ki khendiat banai un la ban pynkynriah ya ka desai Shushu umitirang ba ulai thu ka sarkar jala kan kylluid ya kani kanong ba Shillong un pynkynriah ya baro ki ophis sarkar ki badon ha Shillong sa new Shillong mau diang ban pen kylluid un pynkynriah shwa ya ka sekretariat ban menta ka kam kalaya shakhaman na ka benta ban punwandor ban kermen ba hakini ki khendat banai un la ban pynkynriah ya ka disai ba la bu thong ba uni usnam mang tingka un stang no ya ka kam na kaliang menteri ula khot ya ki kimi pa ba kimde ban pendan kam ya ki kali cement haba ki lej bu skol khun wa kumju ya ki nong tre sarkar
and obviously we have tried many steps but there have been a lot of challenges. I will refrain from going into details because it will take a lot of time. But everything from parking at different levels or different locations by different individuals, stakeholders, buses, taxis. These are challenges that are there for us, which then lead to further problems. Shifting them will require us to then give them options of moving them and telling them, well, you come there because because if you move them from there, then they'll ask where do we go. So everything has a problem. So therefore, we have to fix it by ensuring that we come out with solutions. Small bits in here and pieces there. So first thing, as I said, we realize is that we need to get the vehicles out from the streets, parked on the streets, and put them in proper parking lots. So the procedure of starting off large number of parking lots has already started. You will see very soon that most probably by Christmas or by January, February, we will see that Watts Lake area will have a new parking lot, just to inform. So just behind the wall that is there and on the side of Taraghar, if you see there is earthwork going on, that's a parking lot that's coming out there. So we will not have the parking vehicles parked there anymore. We'll have them inside. We'll have all the other people who was the vendors, street vendors who are there will be inside. So we need to give space to everybody. Similarly, for example, within the town and secretariat area, already 2 locations have been identified where we're going to come out with parking lots, multiple level parking lots. So now all those vehicles will not be, or at least most of them will not be in the streets anymore. So our streets will be quite free, and we hope that will lead to some level of decongestion. At the same time, we are also expecting, and we are working on creating parking and waiting space for the taxis and for the buses. So whether it's Kandalad or in Motpran, you'll see that taxis wait for 1 hour, 45 minutes, half an hour till they have enough passengers. They don't leave. So buses are the same, and therefore just simply pushing them out may not be a long-term solution. Hence, we need to create an alternative space for them. So we're working on that, and we're expecting that also should fructify soon. At the same time, we're also ensuring that, like for schools, what we have done is that we have started to discourage people from going for personal vehicles. We're encouraging use of buses at different levels, and we would like to do that for even government officials also. So that is also another another step that we plan to do. I had wanted to come up with a skywalk that is going to be from Barik Point to Police Bazaar, and that also was on the cards. Once we went into the implementation mode, we were told by the police department and others that once the construction work starts, it is going to lead to huge traffic congestion. Once the construction of this skywalks starts. So hence, until unless we are able to do other things, we should hold on to the work of the skywalks, which is what we have done right now. So we are waiting. Once the parking lots come up and we see that we're seeing some impact of that, then only we will go ahead with the skywalks and stuff like that. So there are multiple levels of works going on. It will be very difficult for me to explain all of it right now. But I think the biggest thing which we are working on, which you all know, is that we are going to be shifting the entire administration of the state, outside the main part of Shillong. So we are expecting to shift to the new Shillong area for the secretariat, and as you're aware that we have already started the groundwork for it. We are already in the process of getting the design consultants, and we expect that within few months we should have the designs ready, and even the work we expect that we should be able to start within this financial year itself is what we target. And that is before April. We would like to work for the new secretariat to start. So we're hoping that that would be the final process of really leading to long-term decongestion. Because as you know that while we go for this project like this, there are other logistical factors like road connectivity to the new Shillong area. All of these have to be worked out. So we are working on all of that, and I don't want to go too much into details, but it's a very broad question you asked me. So this is roughly in a nutshell what we plan to do.